Good afternoon! Welcome to Lesson 1. My name is Fiona. What's your name? I am 26 years old. How old are you? I am from Scotland. Where are you from? Well done! Today we are going to learn about animals. There are two types of animals we are going through today: pets and farm animals. Pets are animals we live with in our homes. Now I'm going to show you some interesting pictures and let's see if you can identify some of these animals. Which animal is this? Dog. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Well done. Which animal is this? Cat. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Great job. Which animal is this? Hamster. Hamster. H-A-M-S-T-E-R. Hamster. Well done. Which animal is this? Bird. Bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. Great. Which animal is this? Rabbit. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Well done! The next type of animals live on the farm. Which animal is this? Horse. Horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Well done! Which animal is this? Chicken. Chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken. Well done! Which animal is this? Sheep. Sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Good job! Which animal is this? Cow. Cow. C-O-W. Cow. Well done! Which animal is this? Pig. Pig. P-I-G. Pig. Good job! Well done, guys! You're doing a great job! Today, we learned about two types of animals. Pets. Can you name these animals? And farm animals. Can you name these ones? Thank you for following this class. I hope you enjoyed it. See you for our next lesson.